Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unfollow everyone on Facebook. So now let's open up the Facebook app. If you're on iPhone or Android, or if you're on a computer, go to facebook.com. Now we need to navigate into your settings. So to do that, on iPhone, we're going to tap on the profile at the bottom right. But if you're on Android or computer, it will be at the very top right. After we have done that, all I need to do is scroll down and I'm going to open up settings and privacy. You can see this opens up with settings at the very top. So let's just tap on settings here, and from here all I need to do is go down. You can see a bunch of information associated with your account. What we're going to go to is your newsfeed. It might be called your newsfeed or your content preference. So you can see under preference, content preference. Now on here you can see midway down is unfollow, so I can tap on that, and this will allow me to quickly unfollow a bunch of friends or pages or public people that I previously have followed. So if I wanted to quick unfollow them, I can just tap on the unfollow button. You don't have to go through the process of confirming them. Keep in mind there is no one button that will allow you to unfollow everyone, but you can quickly just go through this list and just keep tapping on the unfollow to clear out your timeline, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.